If you are trying to make money online the same way you did in 2024, you are already falling behind. Ignore the fake income screenshots and the get-rich-quick noise. Right now, capital is shifting toward a specific type of operator who understands how to manipulate one single metric. This shows a founder's effective hourly rate, total earnings divided by hours worked. Their time is their most expensive asset. If they can pay someone less than this rate to handle tedious tasks, they will. You are that person. Today, we are walking up a value ladder of 7 practical AI side hustles. Make sure you stick around for number 7 at the top, because that specific skill targets the most valuable part of any business. Thriving in the 2026 economy means moving past using AI for fun. It requires positioning yourself as the bridge between raw AI efficiency and real-world business bottlenecks. We start at the base of the ladder, solving the attention deficit. Content creators are burning out. They need fast turnarounds so they can step away from the computer and focus on actually filming. This opens up our first 2 hustles: AI thumbnail design and voiceovers. A YouTube video lives or dies by its thumbnail, and hiring professional human voice actors can take days. By using tools like Midjourney and 11 Labs, you generate high click-through rate art and professional audio tracks in seconds. These entry-level creative tasks can bring in roughly $500 to $2,000 a month. But there is a catch. If your output looks like generic AI art or sounds like default robot voices, you won't find a market. That leads us to hustles 2 and 4, AI video editing and content repurposing. Building a brand requires a creator to be everywhere all at once, which is exhausting. You offer a solution to that exhaustion. This graphic illustrates the workflow. You take a single long-form podcast or video and use AI to slice it into newsletters, Twitter threads, and short-form clips. One piece of content becomes 5. To get clients for this, you have to prove the utility. Download a video from a local business, edit it into engaging shorts, and send them the files for free. You cannot just copy and paste raw AI outputs. You have to step in as the human editor to tweak the pacing, refine the storytelling, and match the client's unique brand voice. In the attention economy, you are providing a brand with omnipresence and buying back a creator's sanity. Moving up the value ladder, we transition from creative tasks to operational systems. This is where we solve internal business bottlenecks. Hustles 1 and 5 are AI automation agencies and custom chatbots. Using platforms like Zapier and VoiceFlow, you eliminate tedious admin work and build assistants trained to instantly answer customer inquiries. Because these systems save businesses thousands of hours, they command retainers often between $1,500 and $5,000 a month. You don't even need to know how to code. You just need basic logical problem-solving skills to connect App A to App B. The final step on the ladder moves beyond saving time and focuses on generating direct revenue, AI website funnels. This diagram shows the math behind a high-converting funnel. If you use AI to build a landing page that generates an additional $20,000 in monthly sales for a plumber or a roofer, they will happily pay you a $3,000 monthly fee. The return on investment makes it an easy decision. To achieve this, you have to focus entirely on conversion rate optimization and sales psychology. Making the website look pretty doesn't matter if it doesn't actually sell. Because you are positioned closest to the revenue, this tier offers the highest earning potential on the ladder. Now you have a list of 7 options, which introduces a new problem. The biggest mistake you can make right now is attempting to learn all 7 of these hustles at the exact same time. For the next 90 days, pick exactly one. Master the specific AI tools for that single hustle. Put in the reps and completely ignore all other shiny objects. This chart visualizes your money-making machine. When you secure first clients, do not spend the profits. Reinvest into faster hardware or premium software. This cycle compounds wealth. Better tools mean faster output, serving more clients without working harder. Success in 2026 comes from deep mastery of one specific business problem, not a superficial knowledge of 10. Pick your focus, start building, and if you want more masterclasses on wealth building, hit the subscribe button.